Welcome to this lesson on percent yield. Today, you'll learn how to measure the efficiency of chemical reactions by comparing the actual amount of product you obtain to the theoretical maximum you could have obtained. Percent yield is a measure of reaction efficiency. It compares the actual amount of product you obtained in your experiment to the theoretical maximum amount that was possible according to stoichiometry. Think of it as a way to see how well your reaction actually performed. There are two key concepts you need to understand. First is theoretical yield, which is the maximum amount of product predicted by stoichiometry calculations. Second is actual yield, which is the amount of product you actually obtained in the laboratory. The theoretical yield assumes perfect conditions, while the actual yield reflects real-world results. The percent yield formula is straightforward. You take the actual yield and divide it by the theoretical yield, then multiply by 100%. This gives you a percentage that tells you how efficient your reaction was. You might wonder why the actual yield is usually less than the theoretical yield. There are several reasons. Reactions may be incomplete, or side reactions might occur. Product can be lost during transfer or purification steps. Measurement errors and experimental limitations also play a role. These factors are normal in real chemistry experiments. Let's work through an example problem. A reaction has a theoretical yield of 50.0 grams of product. In the lab, you obtain 42.5 grams of product. What is the percent yield? Pause here if you want to try solving this yourself first. Here's how to solve it. Apply the formula by dividing the actual yield of 42.5 grams by the theoretical yield of 50.0 grams, then multiply by 100%. This gives you a percent yield of 85.0%. This means your reaction was 85% efficient. Let's review the key takeaways. Percent yield measures reaction efficiency. Always compare your actual yield to the theoretical yield. Remember that values under 100% are normal in real experiments due to various practical limitations. Understanding percent yield helps you evaluate how well your reactions perform.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.